Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rochelle Daniel. I am here to present my project work about seasons. First, let me explain about summer season. Summer season comes after winter season. It starts in the month of March and goes on till the month of June. In summer is the hottest season of the year. The schools remain closed, so we go on vacations and picnics. We wear thin cotton clothes. We use sunglasses, umbrellas and hats to escape from the sun's heat. We play outdoor games like volleyball. We eat delicious ice creams and fresh fruit juice and mangoes. We must drink plenty of water to keep ourselves hydrated. Now let's move on to rainy season. In rainy season comes after summer season. Rainy season starts in the month of June and goes on till the month of September. In rainy season, we play indoor games like chess. We hear thunders and lightnings. Ponds, rivers and lakes are filled with water. We travel in the car so we don't get wet. We see muddy puddles everywhere. We use raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots. We sometimes get a chance to see a rainbow. Thank you, ma'am.